didn't think I'd actually find one on my first day. On the way to Waipu Caves, where we're currently headed now, we're 3.2 kilometres away, according to the sat nav, 3.1 now. This is the road. So here's the entrance to the Waipu Caves. We're literally parked 50 metres away. Let's see what's going on. Up there is a glowworm. Oh, there's loads up there. Okay, we've gone a lot further in, and there are even more glowworms now.
It looks like candle wax, remember?
Hey Lamb. This is by far one of the coolest places that I've ever been. And also the first time I've ever been into an unlit cave. Honestly, couldn't believe how cool that was. I knew there was going to be a few glowworms, but really that many? That's insane. We're finished with the Waipu Caves, and we've got way more time than we thought we did. So we're going to go and look at, I think it's a waterfall and a kauri park, which type of tree? A kauri tree. Kauri Tree Park, yeah, in Whangarei, which is spelled W-H, not F at the start. We were calling it Whangarei for a long time, and then I looked in the book, and W-H, anything W-H in New Zealand at the start is not W. So, yeah, Whangarei. That's where we're headed next. We're now at the A.H. Reid Memorial Kauri Park. Kauri trees are a special type of New Zealand tree that are very large. And this one has a treetop walkway. What on earth happened to this tree? How incredibly queer. So I think we just found ourselves a kauri tree. Gonna be honest, you can't miss it. Whoa. This is the first of no doubt many New Zealand waterfalls. We don't know which one this is. It's not Whangarei Falls, it's a different one that we saw just signposted off the Kauri track. And now we're at Whangarei Falls, which is much larger. So Whangarei Falls was cool, time to get on, so we didn't hang about there too long. We are now on our way to the campsite, which is in Paia, in the Bay of Islands. Day 2 on the camper van. We are still in the Bay of Islands. We are up, fed, watered, showered, and we are about to go on the Bay of Islands boat trip, which is for a long boat trip. We're going to get off at an island and walk around it, and then most likely going to get off at Russell, see what or whoever Russell is, and then get the passenger ferry back. Sounds good, right?
Yep.
boat trip we have an island stopover, so we have an hour on Moturahia. It's not called that, it's something like that. So we are currently going up. This is the island that Captain Cook landed on. So we're going up to Cook's Lookout. That's the end of our boat trip with Fuller's Great Sights. It's really, really good. Absolutely loved it. We've now landed in Russell because they give you a free ticket on the passenger ferry to get back to Paia. So we're going to have an hour or so in Russell. We're going to go and try and eat at a place called Hellhole, which has good coffee and bagels and baguettes and things like that. And maybe look at the church. Also look at church. We've come to the oldest church in New Zealand, which was built in the deep dark ages of 1836. Our ferry back to Paia is at 2, so we're on a bit of a whistle stop tour of Russell. Next up, we're going to go to the mission building, which is where they started missioning for things, probably. Hopefully there'll be some more information outside it. I don't really know what it's about. And so that was the mission building. It was very nice as well. Very pretty. I love all the wooden buildings out in New Zealand. We've got to rush now. Got to get the ferry back to Paia. So we're headed up to our campsite and we decided we were going to stop off at Waterfalls. I think we can swim in these. It's going to be cold. Ooh, got no shoes on. Yeah, swam in Waterfalls. It was lovely. It was very cold. Unfortunately the camera died, but as you saw, man did get a little bit of me swimming across the main pool. But this, I reckon, on a sunny day would be gorgeous down here. Parked up for our second night in our camper van. We are at a place called Port Talbot.
Port Albert.
Not Port Talbot.
Not Port Talbot.
That's a totally different place. In Wales?
Yes.
Yeah. No, we're not in Port Talbot, we're in Port Albert, which is not all that far from Auckland. Where we're off to the Waipu Ranges, then it's Hobbiton in the afternoon, so very excited for that.
Hobbit's feet.